Hey there, friends, fellow freedom seekers. You have got Digital David Dopkins here, and I am recording this video for playback for all who will want to see it, because today I got a package from FedEx, and I'm going to do a not live, but a recorded opening of the package because I happen to know what this is in here, and I want to be able to share it with everybody as I go. So, you guys know that I recently have been posting about how to build tangible wealth, how to be able to hedge against things like inflation and falling currencies. And you also know I've been talking about how tangible wealth, gold and silver, real precious metals, the value typically goes up, right? And so I got a package today from the company that I joined that I've already started earning income from in the first week. I ranked up over the weekend, and I am just blown away right now. I'm holding on for dear life to try and keep up with my team because they are just dragging me along to greatness, right? So, once again, Digital David here. I want to open up this package, and I want to share with you what's inside. And so I hope that you'll be able to get excited with what I find in here. It's kind of hard to see through the bubble wrap, but you might be able to see it looks like there's possibly a silver coin there, maybe. Okay, and on this side there's a brochure that says "We believe in you," right? And so I'm going to pull this stuff out here. I'm going to save the best for last, because I happen to know what it is that I got in there, but I haven't seen it in person yet. This is me receiving this package for the first time as a new member in the company, okay? Once again, we believe in you. 7K metals. This is an amazing journey that I just launched into. There's a postcard here with some details, right? And some more information about the program. Look, it's printed to me, and this is actually a brochure that I can share with my prospects, okay, people that I'm talking to about the program, and that's why they branded it with my name on there. And there's another one there. I'm getting a few of these, okay? I got a few of them right here, okay? I'm excited about this, people. And I also got, whoa, oh boy. How do I get this open here? I am so pumped about this. You guys, this is really exciting. And I hope that you'll reach out to me about this, because when you see what I have here, you're going to be blown away like me too. So this right here is an MS-70 silver coin, and it has great value. And these things traditionally go up in value, like I was talking about. Silver and gold typically goes up in value, while things like fiat currencies like the US dollar and some of the governmental currencies that you see out there typically go down in value. And here's a second coin right here. This is a variety coin, okay? I need to look at the details about what's on there. This actually has an amazing design on there. I think you can see that. And both of these coins are solid silver. These things are collectors, and they're going to stay in my vault, and they're going to build me wealth. And I got some of these coming every single month, because that's how I roll. That's how I want to invest. I put my investing of converting fiat currency over to precious metals on a monthly basis, so I don't have to think about it. I know how much I'm spending, and I get selected coins like these every single month, okay? Pretty amazing. There's also some business cards here, which they throw in, and it helps you kind of share the details if you want to share the details with somebody. Business cards included with my order. Pretty cool stuff. I got a stack of 40 of those, okay? All right, once again, Digital David here. I hope that you'll reach out to me and you will ask me some questions about this program, and I'd love to share with you. I want to be able to help as many people as I can build tangible wealth, real wealth for the future, to protect your financial future and guard against things like inflation and overproduction of currencies. And also these things increase in value, and you can actually share them with your family. I'm signing my kids up on monthly recurring orders of gold and silver coins too, because I just want to be able to invest in their future. And when I was younger, if someone had told me about investing in silver and gold, 30 years ago or whatever, I would have several $1,000,000 in these coins today. So now I'm starting, all right? And I want to bring you along in this journey. Reach out to me. Once again, Digital David Dopkins here. Hit me up in Facebook Messenger. Send me an email or a text. It's all going to be right here on this page. And I look forward to talking to you on the other side.